Unlock the power of the world's largest online marketplace with How to Make Money Online from Amazon. In this comprehensive guide, we'll navigate the diverse avenues for generating income through Amazon. Join us as we explore opportunities like affiliate marketing, selling products, self-publishing, and much more. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or simply looking to leverage the global reach of Amazon, prepare to gain the insights and strategies needed to harness this online giant for financial success. It's time to embark on a journey to financial independence in the world of e-commerce with Amazon. Today, we will talk about how to make money online from Amazon. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. 1. Affiliate marketing. One of the most straightforward ways to make significant money on Amazon without selling anything yourself is as an Amazon affiliate. Amazon's affiliate program, Amazon Associates, is truly a giant in the Amazon money-making world. If you have reach online, whether it's through a website, blog, or because you are a community moderator, you have the capacity to make money as an Amazon affiliate. All you need to do is recommend products on Amazon in a product category that appeals to your audience. If your audience follows the affiliate link and makes the purchase, you will earn a commission. Generally between 4% and 10% of the product's purchase price goes to the Amazon affiliate. Being part of the Amazon affiliate program is incredibly easy, and it can be highly lucrative. 2. Amazon Handmade. If you thought Etsy was the only place to sell quality handmade goods, think again. On Amazon Handmade, you can sell clothing, jewelry, accessories, art, and other artisan goods. Amazon Handmade will give you a custom URL, making it much easier for all of your customers to find your shop. Amazon makes things more convenient and affordable for handmade sellers than for other selling accounts. You'd have to pay $39.99 a month for a professional selling account, but this fee is waived for handmade sellers. Just pay a 15% referral fee on your total sales price. 3. Amazon Merch. Do you consider yourself an artist or designer? Amazon Merch might be right for you. Even if you are not an expert, you may be able to make great designs that make money on this platform, as long as you are up on cultural trends and have basic design software. You can sell t-shirts, hoodies, and lots of other things carrying your designs. You won't have to pay anything to sell your merchandise on Amazon. Amazon takes responsibility for printing, shipping, packaging, and supporting the customer. All you have to do is create your account, upload your design and price, and write your description and color. You get a royalty on every design that you sell. What you make depends on how much the product sells for and how much it costs at Amazon to sell it. 4. Kindle Direct Publishing. Are you a writer, or do you have access to a team of writers? Getting your work published no longer requires the attention of a publishing house. Kindle Direct Publishing lets you publish Kindle books on their platform. 70% of royalties on overall sales can go to you. You aren't limited to just digital Kindle book options on this platform. Hard copies can be printed as well. Prolific writing is key to making money in this area. A couple of bestsellers will do wonders, but you really need to create a steady stream of content to succeed in Kindle publishing. Furthermore, your work will need to sell itself, or you'll have to handle all marketing, since there's no agent or publisher to help you get the word out. 5. Fulfillment by Amazon. An Amazon FBA business isn't as well-known an option when it comes to making money on Amazon. Still, it's an excellent way to make money without worrying about shipping or customer support. Your products are stored in an Amazon warehouse, where they can make you money on the Amazon marketplace without you having to do anything once the products are shipped. Amazon Prime takes advantage of this program to get products to customers faster. Using the Amazon FBA program, you send your items to an Amazon center and let them take care of delivering them. Customers wouldn't even know the difference, which is why so many people haven't heard of this program. As the Amazon FBA seller, you will be charged by units, depending on weight and size. You also pay a storage fee monthly if your inventory does not sell. Depending on what you have to sell, an Amazon FBA business might be a much better option for you than direct selling on Amazon. 6. Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you just want to make a little bit of extra money, without having to start a big project, attract an audience, or sell anything, the Mechanical Turk project might be right for you. This is one of the easiest types of Amazon work to get involved in with few initial investments. This program lets you become one of the remote workers in Amazon's vast army. Your tasks can involve participating in surveys and moderating and validating content. It's not a way to get rich fast, but you might make as much as $15 an hour or more, and you can easily fit these tasks in around your other pursuits. For people looking for a simple way to earn a couple of extra bucks on the side, this might be just the right program for you. 7. Sell a service. Amazon product selling or advertising isn't the only way to build an income on Amazon. If you have a service to offer, you can also make a good income in Amazon Store. Whether you tutor musical instruments or a school subject, Amazon can help you connect with clients. You won't have to pay for advertising or startup fees, and there's no monthly subscription. All you need is general liability insurance with a $1 million occurrence cap and a cleared business background check. Services provided to homeowners also need background screening. The share to Amazon depends on what service you provide and how much you make. If you don't want to deal with advertising your services, making a website, etc. by yourself, Amazon can take some of the work out of it. 8. Make a brand. Choose a product you love, order it from the manufacturer, put your brand and logo on it, and you'll be a brand seller. List your product on Amazon at whatever price seems competitive to you. As an Amazon seller of your own brand, you have total control over your products. You can apply for brand registry with Amazon to protect your private label product from counterfeiters. It's hard to compete on Amazon, but if you have a product that has unique value or you have an edge in the market, you can make a lot of money by selling branded products on Amazon. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.